Okay, good morning. Usapan manggagawa po tayo. Ang tanong po may makukuha ba ang isang empleyado na retirement pay kahit hindi nakalagay sa kontrata or palisiya ng kumpanya? Oo, meron po. Dahil meron tayong tinatawag na Republic Act 7641, which is Retirement Pay Law, which is amended by Presidential Decree 442, otherwise known as the Labor Code of the Philippines. Okay? Under Article 287, ano ba sabi dito? Employee in a private company who reach the age of 60 and beyond 65 years old, at least 5 years in service, shall entitled for retirement pay law. So magkano ba ang computation? Ang computation po ay 22.5. Okay, so paano natin makompute yan? Magsimula tayo sa per day. Let us say, ang per day mo ay 645 a day. So, 645 times 22.5. Ang lalabas dyan ay 14,512 times years in service. Let us say naka 20 ka. So, i-multiply po yun in 20 years. Ang lalabas po ay 290,250,000. Yan po ang makukuha nyo sa retirement pay nyo. Okay? So, yun lang po. Maraming salamat po. Thanks for watching.